This is my nigger rig. True though, from definition, this is what it is. I got me a 5,000 watt consistent watt generator under a tarp. I had a guy make this tarp for me for the weather. He charged me like 40 bucks to make this tarp for me. And I designed my own cart that can carry my flux core machine and my stick and TIG machine. And then I hooked me up a little extension cord pulley over there that I can actually have. I try to keep at least close to 100-foot extension cord, and I think that's like 30, and then I got another 50-foot of cord inside the truck. But this is like my small setup as of now. But with just this small setup right here that you've seen, I can go get money. Now, the rest of my little mobile setup, I got it in the back of the truck for right now. So I got 2 welders in here. I got a stick and a flux core. And I got my TIG rig in here, so just in case I need to do some tigging. So this is the definition of a nigger rig. By definition, it's not what the professionals will tell you. Oh, you need to go get this and this and this to make it happen. Well, I'm using all this used equipment, and I got it hooked up, and it's actually working, and it's actually making me money. I own it already, and it got plenty of life into it to get some more money. So before you go all the way out, get something that you can actually use to make some money with, and then upgrade. Like, yeah, you know, I got the big welding machine, but for what I use this for the service calls, this is perfect because it's not real bulky. I ain't worried about nobody stealing it, and hey, I can be able to jump in and out of traffic and still be able to get some money. So that's my goal. This is my nigger rig. Hog on.